As parents, our most critical role is to assist our children in acquiring the courage, resilience, and self-awareness to tackle life's obstacles. In this presentation, we will review approaches to boost our children's emotional resilience so that they are able to process their feelings in a constructive manner and find their own unique direction in life. As parents, it can be difficult to not get caught up in the hustle of everyday life. However, taking time to think about how our decisions can affect our children's emotional well-being is crucial. To ensure our children are resilient, mindful parenting is key. This practice encourages cultivating a supportive environment where children can learn to manage their emotions, cope with stress, and make meaningful connections with their caregivers. Mindfulness can provide the opportunity for children to become emotionally strong and better equipped to deal with difficult situations. As parents, it can be difficult to detach from our everyday problems and be in the moment with our children. Mindful parenting assists us in detaching and observing our child's emotions with a calm and non-judgmental attitude. It advocates being compassionate and sympathetic towards our child, while exploring their emotions instead of dictating them. Mindful parenting is about fostering our child's emotional stability, recognizing their emotions, understanding them, and helping them build tools to manage stressful scenarios. It is a potent approach which can help increase the bond between the parent and their child, and create a more harmonious family environment. Parenting is a huge responsibility that requires a lot of care and effort. Supporting children and guiding them as best as possible is essential. Mindful parenting is a technique that can have long-term positive effects on our children. It has been found that kids exposed to mindful parenting have better emotional regulation and resilience. They are better able to handle difficult emotions and situations. This will help them in the future when they face adversity. Additionally, mindful parenting helps to create a more secure and confident atmosphere in the family. Investing in this technique increases the likelihood of our children developing a healthy family dynamic and having the best possible upbringing. As a parent, nurturing emotional resilience in our children is of utmost importance. Mindful parenting can be a powerful tool for creating a safe and loving atmosphere. For instance, it is beneficial to take some deep breaths before interacting with our child, to remain calm and present. Moreover, listening with empathy and focus is essential for a strong bond to form. By giving our child our undivided attention, without trying to solve their issues for them, they will feel seen and heard. Developing inventive approaches to strengthening emotional resilience in our children can aid them to feel more confident and succeed in life. Parents all desire for their children to possess a strong emotional toughness. Utilizing mindful parenting is a great way to help our children grow this resilience and create stronger relationships with them. Examples of mindful parenting can be seen in the stories of Sarah and John, illustrating the advantages of taking brief moments to think and interact with our children. Mindful parenting lets us to foster emotional resilience in our children while also forming a secure and loving environment. Concluding, mindful parenting can be a beneficial way of helping our children develop emotional endurance and deepen their relationships. We have discussed strategies like active listening and non-judgmental observation that are easy to apply and can have an advantageous result on how we raise our children. We trust that this presentation has motivated you to test those techniques and use the advantages of mindful parenting for a brighter future for our children and ourselves. Thank you for listening.